Are you struggling with high CPC, low quality score, and unstable Google's performance? So there's hidden killer inside most accounts, and it's called no overlapping keywords. As like stop your ads from fighting like siblings over the TV remote. Okay, so what does no overlapping keyword mean? Keyword overlap happens when multiple keywords in your account can trigger the same search query. Okay, so Google becomes a tired friend and like, both of you want this same search. Fine, I will pick one. Okay, so why this is bad? Overlap causes internal competition, your own keywords, bonum your own keywords, then higher CPC, you push your own price up, messy data, cannot tell what word, weak quality score signals, budget waste, money goes to wrong intent. Okay, so no overlap means each search query has one clear home, one best keyword, or ad group, or campaign. So why overlap keywords kills performance? In here, I can select four real audit problems. First one is self-competition. Your keywords compete against each other. As like ad group A keyword, refrigerator repair, ad group B keyword, fridge repair. Search fridge repair near me. Both can match. Google fix one and auction conflict. Impact? CPC goes up, impressions become unstable, control becomes as like Alabarasha. Then quality score signal dilution. Google is confused actually. When no one query these multiple keywords, expected CTR signals splits, ad relevance becomes weak, landing page match becomes fuzzy. That's why account with heavy overlap usually struggle to reach quality score 8 to 9. Okay. Then next option is budget cannibalization. Wrong campaigns it's the good foot as like. You want urgent, high intent users to go into your emergency campaign. But overlap lets your generic campaign steal them. Example, you want this search emergency campaign emergency freeze repair now, but generic campaigns still eat due to overlap. Result: low severe, high CPC. You cry silently in the corner. Then last option is data pollution. Optimization nightmare. Overlap breaks clean learning. You cannot clearly see which keyword converts, which intent performs, which ad group to scale. Scaling becomes guesswork like, hmm, maybe this keyword is good, maybe it's luck. Okay. So then types of overlap. Know the villains. Who is the villains of our no overlapping keyword? Okay. First one is cross match type overlap. Same keyword in multiple match types can trigger same query. Example: refrigerator repair, exact match, refrigerator repair, phrase match, refrigerator repair. You select one keyword, only one keyword, refrigerator repair, exact match, phrase match, broad match. Three. One search can trigger all three. Okay. Type 2 close variant overlap. Google treats many as similar always. So as like freeze repair, refrigerator repair, freeze fixing service, Google Google thinks same but different same. Okay. So type 3 is cross ad group overlap, most dangerous. This destroys most intent control. Okay. Example: ad group A emergency, but ad group B generic. If both can match the same query, your intent routing dies. Okay. Type and type 4 is broad match expansion overlap. What is this? Broad is powerful, but also like giving a tutor a credit card. Example, keyword as like broad refrigerator repair. It may trigger fridge not cooling, freezer repair, appliance repair, then multiple ad group collide. So now question is how to detect keyword overlap. How to detect? Firstly, We can use our system report. It's as like our CCTV footage. So we can go to Google's account, then go to systems, and here we are looking for same query triggering multiple ad groups, same query with different CPCs, same query with inconsistency CBR. Okay. Step two, auction insights. So in here we can see as like some warning signs as like impression instability, CPC volatility, sudden quality score swings. Open overlap is the hidden region. Our step three is segment by keyword. We can go to Google's account and go to segment option, then select the keyword option. If one query maps too many keywords, overlap confirmed. Okay. So now how can I fix them? What's the way? In here, best pra- in here I add best practices to avoid keyword overlap and solution to keyword overlap. How can I fix that? Okay. The first step, define intent buckets first. It's as like a foundation, is as like building foundation. Okay. So before touching keywords, define intent group. Example for freeze repair, emergency, location near me type, brand as like Samsung, LG, Walton, etc. type, generic and problem based, not cooling, okay, not working, not freezing, as like that. So this is how you create clean routing. Doing. Step two is golden rule. One intent, one ad group. Bad structure is next. Ad group refrigerator repair content. So you can different type of ad group as like emergency freeze repair, Samsung freeze repair, freeze not cooling. That's like footing. In here, you can see here one type, one keyword is emergency type as like emergency freeze repair. One is brand keyword, Samsung freeze repair. Freeze not cooling. One is problem type keyword. Then you have three type of keywords. Or it's mean three intent keyword. So it's like as like biryani plus ice cream plus sauce, elation one plate and calling it meal. So good structure is intent gets it own ad group. Step three, negative keyword. Okay. So negative keywords fencing is like critical string wheel. So negatives are not optional; they are the traffic police. Example structure for clean routing. Emergency ad group keywords. Emergency refrigerator repair. Negatives. Samsung, LG, near me, location traps, etc. Then also branded groups here in here keywords as like Samsung refrigerator repair. So you can I can use negatively emergency upper brands generic terms. Okay, in generic ad group keywords as like refrigerator repair. In here I can select as a negative keyword emergency Samsung LG problem terms. Now each query goes to the correct home. Okay. And step four is mesh type control. So how can I mesh type control? Um, we can use eject is fully control. We can use freeze is control expansion. And when we can use broad only with smart negatives and after data. So what is the recommendation? Eject is heavy start, is always support us and broad later. Okay. Step five is weekly monitoring. Is not non-negotiable. Okay. Overlap comes back over time. So weekly checklist what? Systems review, add new negatives, check query to add group mapping. Think of it like brushing teeth. If you stop, things get ugly fast. So what is the difference? Real before bonum after. What actually changes? Before overlap queue account, our search is not cooling triggered by generic ad group, emergency ad group, broad keyword, result quality score as like 6, CPC high, CBR unstable, as like this. After clean intent mapping, size freeze not cooling, triggers only, problem-based ad group, quality score 9, CPC down, CBR out, CPU down. Okay, so our our solution problem solved. Our problems solved. So some common mistake, you always remember this. Some common mistake audit, um, as like too many broad keywords, no negative keyword strategy, mixing brand plus generic, mixing emergency plus normal, no weekly system review, copy paste keyword list, one ad group or targeting everything. So this is the common mistakes of no overlapping keyword. Always remember this. So some pro tips for this. uh, Start tight as like you can start exec or phrase base only. Okay, and expand slowly. Intent segmentation beats keyword volume. Negative keywords, string wheel, broad match without negatives as like chaos. Clean structure scales easier and quality score 9 to 10. Clean routing. So our final scaling logic is clean structure, no overlap, clear intent, higher CTR, higher quality score, then lower CPC, then more profit, then easier scaling. So this video is helpful for you. Please comment me in my comment box. You can share your opinion, and for next time which topic you want video. Okay, and please, is this video is helpful for you? If this video is helpful for you, you can like, share, and subscribe my channel. Stay with me. I will help you to go less advanced all topic. Okay. Thank you everyone for stay with me.